Percentile value tells you the relative position of a data point in the whole data set. Array is the range of cells where you have the values for which you want to find out the kth percentile. K is the value between 0 and 1 and gives you the kth percentile value. For example, if you want to calculate the 90th percentile value, this would be 0.9 or 90%, and for the 50th percentile value, this would be 0.5 or 50%. So let's start the formula with an equal sign. Type percentile inc, press the tab button and select the range of marks E10 to E19. Then a comma, write the 09 to get the 90th percentile. Close the bracket and press enter. We got the percentile of first student. Drag the cursor downward and leave it where you want or where the data ends. You will get the percentile of all the students. Percentile inc and percentile x are new formulas which works exactly like the percentile,